We are in Aberdeen, Scotland. Taking a random hike. Should we go there? Looks like a nice little road here. What's that?
I can see the waves already.
Can you?
Yeah. You don't? See? I can see the waves.
Let's go surfing. Get a wetsuit.
Oh, in this temperature.
If you have a nice wetsuit, you'd be okay.
Yeah?
I have one. It's called the winter wetsuit.
Okay.
It's half an inch thick
Well, look at
insulation.
these waves. They are huge.
Yes.
They are big.
What the heck? Okay, good. It's still working.
This is awesome. You know how I haven't seen the ocean in a long time, man. So it's cool.
Whoa.
They are big, the waves.
Yeah. Nice.
This is really cool. Wow, I haven't seen this in a million years.
Good
Wow.
thing this is waterproof in case this water nails us. It looks like it comes here.
It comes here, yeah, when the wave is big, enough.
Big waves.
Yeah.
Here in Aberdeen, Scotland. We're probably gonna go to Oxford next week, right?
Yeah.
We decided maybe. So Oxford is
sounds
next.
good, man.
Oxford, go down to England.
Yeah.
I kind of wanted to go
Also,
to.
look at this wave.
Ooh, pretty massive.
It's massive.
That's a big one right there.
Wow.
Yeah, in Hawaii
it's
they're
gonna
probably
splash us. It's gonna splash.
they're about 15 times bigger.
When? Where?
In Hawaii.
In Hawaii, yeah.
15 times bigger.
Yeah,
like,
man.
you can't even imagine.
And in Portugal, also.
Portugal's the biggest in the world.
They have the biggest wave.
Nazaré, yeah, it's the record.
It's like 100 meters.
100 feet.
Oh, 100 feet. So
Yeah.
it's like 80 meters. No, 60.
Probably divided by 3. About 3 meters, right?
30 meters, but still huge.
But huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Look at
I love the ocean. It calms
Ships
me.
there are- Yeah, you can see the ships in the distance.
Okay. Cool. I
No,
wouldn't mind touching.
Don't worry, man. It's like whatever.
No, I want to touch the water and taste it. One drop. So I can say I got the water in my system.
I love it.
Careful, don't get wet. This one's pretty big.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. Salty. Cool, I got the Aberdeen Ocean in my mouth. Now I can go home. It shall remain in my body forever. I put some of the ocean water in my mouth, so it'll be a part of my body forever now. Yeah. part of your body, not forever.
It's not even that salty. It's like your salty drink is more, you know?
Yeah.
That salty drink is more salty.
So we should go this way.
Yeah, we should go. Yeah.
Take a little walk, yeah?
Oh, man.